I need to challenge myself. Can I handle extreme cold temperatures? I'm not talking mild snowstorms. I'm talking blizzards. Dairy Queen blizzards. Let's test out their summer menu. Dairy Queen launched their summer wave of new blizzard flavors recently. I have them all here, so time for a review and ranking. The 6 new flavors are cotton candy, drumstick with peanuts, Girl Guide chocolatey mint, Oreo Dirt Pie, Very Cherry Chip, Reese's Pieces cookie dough. I'm going to start with Very Cherry Chip. Looks like cherry ice cream, and the chips look like to be chocolate chips. Let's give it a go. Oh, very cherry. It's a good cherry though. Tastes very good. I actually don't really care that much for cherry ice cream. So this is actually really, really good. Quite a bit of chocolate chips in here too. This is definitely a winner. Very good. If you're a fan of cherry ice cream, I highly recommend this one. This one's really good. It's very cold though. Just 1 second. That's better. Got some earmuffs on. Delicious. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is drumstick with peanuts. If you ever had a drumstick cone, this looks like it has caramel, chocolate, nuts, caramel pieces. This one's got so much stuff in it. This one's crazy. Let's try it. So cold. A lot of the drumstick cone pieces, very light. It's too cold. 1 second. That's better. I got a scarf now. Keep me warm. It's really good. Very similar to eating an actual drumstick cone, but with the deliciousness of Dairy Queen ice cream. Another good one. I'm not sure we're going to find a bad one. These are so good. Gotta stop eating. Let's try another one. Up next, cotton candy. I've never had cotton candy ice cream. I've had real cotton candy, so I know what to expect flavor-wise. Let's see if it tastes like cotton candy. It's got little pieces of, I'm not sure what those are. Dried cotton candy, maybe? Oh, so cold. I don't know what those bits are. Let me just try the ice cream itself. Wow, they did a really great job with the flavor. It does taste like cotton candy. Great job. Oh, it's so cold. 1 second. Oh, much better. Got a toque on now. Keep my head warm. These are so cold. Yeah, great flavor. I'm not sure about the little bits inside of it. I don't think those are necessary. I don't think they add anything, but the flavor itself is really nice. Nice cotton candy flavor. Delicious. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, I think this is number 4. Reese's Pieces cookie dough. Now, Reese's is my favorite candy of all time. I love peanut butter chocolate combination, so I have really high hopes for this one. Every time I go to Dairy Queen, I order a Reese Blizzard. So the addition of cookie dough will be interesting for this one. Cold. Lots of Reese's Pieces, which is delicious. The addition of cookie dough doesn't really do anything for me. I love Reese's Pieces, and it's usually the type of Blizzard I get when I go to Dairy Queen. So if you love cookie dough, then you'll probably love the addition of cookie dough to this one. But otherwise, you know, it's great. But Reese's Pieces by itself is just as good. It's not bad. It's just I don't think the cookie dough addition is needed. Oh, geez. I want to need some more, but it's so cold. 1 second. Oh, that helps. Got a jacket on now. Much warmer. I can continue eating. Love those Reese's Pieces. Let's give another one a try. Okay, 2 more to go. I can't complain about this video except for the extreme cold, of course. But these are delicious. Next up, Girl Guide Chocolatey Mint. This one, unlike the picture, is actually not green, although it doesn't need to be green to be mint. Green in mint is just food coloring anyhow, so it's better that it's not green. Let's see how this one is. If you had Girl Guide cookies before, mint cookies, that's what's in here. Let's give it a try. Very minty. Mint chocolate chip ice cream might be my favorite ice cream, so I'm very happy to find out that this is quite minty, which is great. So cold and shivering. Oh boy. 1 second. Much better. I have gloves on. These are so cold. Yeah, if you love Girl Guide chocolate mint cookies, you're definitely going to love this one. Yeah, if you're a fan of chocolate mint ice cream, another good one to get. So good. We got one more to try. Let's do it. Last but certainly not least, Oreo Dirt Pie. The pictures showed gummy worms in this one, but I don't see any gummy worms. So I can't even tell what's in this one. It's very chocolatey, that's for sure. Let's taste it. Very chocolatey. I do taste some Oreo pieces in here. I mean, this one's obviously for the chocolate lover, so if you like chocolate, go for this one. It's not making me jump out of my skin here. It's not great. Oh, cold. So cold. I'm braving some extreme temperatures for you right now. This is so hard to do. So cold. 1 second. Okay, that's better. Nice and warm now. I can eat more. Oh, I got a gummy bear, or a gummy worm, I should say. So there is gummy worms in here. That's an interesting surprise if you weren't expecting it. So if you like chocolate, Oreos, some gummy worm surprises, this one's for you. Well, I survived trying all 6 summer Blizzard flavors. Let's rank them. In 6th place, new Oreo Dirt Pie. In 5th place, Girl Guide Chocolatey Mint. In 4th place, Cotton Candy. In 3rd place, Very Cherry Chip. In 2nd place, Reese's Pieces Cookie Dough Blizzard. And the #1 Dairy Queen Summer Menu Blizzard is Drumstick with Peanuts. Well, there you go. There's Dairy Queen's 6 Summer Menu Blizzards. I hope you appreciate how brave I was to do this. I battled the extreme cold temperatures, and I came out successfully.